We live in a world where almost everything is designed to capture your eyes and control your desires. Images, videos, advertisements, music, conversations, everything pushes one message. Follow your urges, satisfy yourself, do what feels good. But Islam teaches something different. It teaches dignity. It teaches self-control. It teaches that your heart is sacred and not everything deserves access to it. Guarding your heart begins with guarding your eyes. What you look at does not stay outside of you. It enters your mind. It shapes your thoughts. And slowly, it influences your actions. The gaze is the door to the heart. And once something enters repeatedly, it becomes normalized. Lowering your gaze is not weakness. It is strength. It is discipline. It is a conscious decision to protect your inner peace instead of feeding temporary desire. In a hypersexualized world, temptation is constant. But constant temptation does not mean constant surrender. You are not an animal controlled by impulse. You are a believer guided by purpose. Every time you look away for the sake of Allah, you are building self-respect. Every time you scroll past something inappropriate, you are strengthening your will. Every time you choose modesty over attention, you are choosing long-term honor over short-term validation. Guarding your heart also means being careful with emotional attachment. Not every conversation needs to become deep. Not every interaction needs to become personal. Protect your energy. Protect your focus. Protect your standards. Modern culture tells you that love is casual and desire is harmless. But Islam teaches that the heart is delicate. When you give pieces of it away carelessly, you weaken it. When you protect it, you strengthen it. If you struggle, you are not alone. Temptation is part of being human. The goal is not to pretend it does not exist. The goal is to control it instead of letting it control you. Create barriers for yourself. Limit what you consume. Unfollow what weakens you. Avoid environments that constantly test you. Discipline your screen time. Fill your time with purpose so boredom does not become a doorway to sin. And most importantly, strengthen your connection with Allah. Because when your heart is full of remembrance, it becomes less interested in what harms it. When your soul tastes peace in prayer, cheap distractions lose their appeal. Guarding your heart is not about restriction. It is about protection. It is about valuing yourself enough to say that not everything deserves your attention. You were not created to chase desire. You were created to rise above it. In a world that normalizes exposure, be modest. In a world that glorifies impulse, be disciplined. In a world that cheapens love, protect your heart. Because the heart you protect today is the heart that will feel peace tomorrow.